All right, what's going on YouTube? Today we're back with another video doing a Nike SB Dunk unboxing video. The uploads recently have been slowed down because I just haven't been getting many shoes since March really wasn't that good of a month, and neither will April. April won't be that good of a month for releases or sneakers. So if the drops are slow, that is why there's really nothing I could really do. If I had more shoes, obviously I'd do more unboxing videos or release updates and things like that. Maybe next month the videos may start to switch up and be more like vlogs and in real life stuff since summer is coming up. So hopefully we get something new going on and more uploads for you guys, more content I should say for you guys. So yeah, stay tuned and like and subscribe. Okay, so we have the Nike SB Dunk Gardenias. They have like that flappy thing on the Nike swoosh, which I really don't care for. They're this nice deep like royal blue color, which I think is really nice. Feathers in the back, the green on the tab part. Like they have like the rope style laces. It says Nike SB. And then, I don't know if you guys can see that, but on the inside it's like the feather too. Overall, I think this shoe is really nice. I just don't like that. Yeah, I don't really care for that on the Nike part, or on the swoosh. But besides that, I do think this shoe is really nice. I was gonna pull out the other one, but it's deep in the box, so we're not. Yeah, I ended up getting two pairs. I ended up getting a size. This is a 7.5, and then I have a size 7. I had a third, but it went to my cousin, so yeah. So, I mean, it's his shoe, so it is what it is. Hopefully the next shoe that drops, I will film in like a botting video. I've been saying I was supposed to have been doing it, but I just haven't. Botting really, there isn't many shoes to bot or like shoes that I could hit like good numbers on. So it's just been kind of slow. I really haven't been having much to do. Like I said, hopefully that'll change soon. But yeah, I end up getting a 7, 7.5. Here is the other box of them. You guys can see that 7, 7.5, obviously. So yeah, just short unboxing video. I want to show you guys what the new pickups were. And yeah, I am going to sell these. I'm actually going to go and ship them off probably in the next maybe hour or so. Yeah, if you guys like this unboxing video, stay tuned for more. Stay tuned for more videos in general. Like I said, we're going to be switching up to more vlogs and different in real life content and stuff. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And yeah, like and subscribe, guys. I hope you guys stay tuned for more.